Hey everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I'm there to show you how trading can be smarter, faster and way more exciting when you have the right tools by your side. My AI trading bot is not just a tool, it's a game changer. With 98% accurate signals, it's like having a trading expert working for you 24/7. Forget second questioning or stressing over market moves. This bot does all the heavy lifting so you can focus on the profits. Let's not waste time, let me show you how it works in real time. The first signal is already in and I am entering the trade now. What I love about this bot is how it instantly identifies opportunity that even an experienced trader can miss. It's not just about numbers, it's about timing, precision and results. Let's see how this trade goes, and there it is, a clean win. To kick off things off, let's keep the momentum going. Now here's where the things get interesting. The bot has spotted another opportunity with high confidence and I'm taking this trade too. The best trait about this using AI for trading, it never gets tired and emotional or get distracted. It's all about cold hard data and accuracy. That's why I trust it, and every signal, knowing the odds are always in my favor. Boom, another solid win. This is the power of trading smart, not hard. Even watching, remember, success in trading isn't about luck, it's about having the right tools, the right mindset and a proven system. And that's exactly what this bot delivers. And just like that, another successful trade session is complete. Once again, my AI bot has proven why it's ultimate partner for anyone looking to trade confidently and consistently. If you are ready to take control of your trading journey, the link is in the comment section below. Join now and see how this bot can transform the way you trade. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, trade is smarter, stay disciplined, and as always, take care. Bye bye.